Hi, my name is Paul.
I'm good.
I'm here to show you the differences between a regular refrigerator and a kegerator. To start off, we'll take a look at the regular refrigerator, which you will find in any home. Mostly a bachelor pad though. And as we open it, here's what you'll find. Yeah. Here's some half eat up meat. I don't know what that is. There's some ketchup. There's a freezer. Yeah. And now we take you to the kegerator. Ooh. What's in the kegerator? Now this is a bit different. There seems to be some kind of a spout on the end. I wonder what's in there. Well, let's just find out.
Yes.
This is not an average, ordinary refrigerator. There happens to be a surprise in this refrigerator. What is that, Donnie?
Tastes like beer.
Beer? In a refrigerator? Let's see what's in here. Good Lord Almighty.
It's a keg.
Now that's a fridge.